Dear students, now we are going to deal with degrees of comparison. I think you are familiar with the degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. We use the adjective in the comparative degree to denote the quality of a person, place, or a thing. For example, my house is big, or I have a big house. The word big denotes the size of my house. Such a word is called an adjective, and it is adjective in the positive degree. Suppose I want to compare my house with my friend's house. Then I use the adjective in the comparative degree. For example, my house is bigger than my friend's house. So the adjective here is bigger. So this word bigger is used to compare my house with my friend's house. Now coming to the adjective in the superlative degree, biggest. And how do we use this adjective? This adjective biggest is used to bring about comparison between 3 or more persons, things, or places. For example, Mr. Ram is the tallest boy in the college. So this sentence means that Ram is the tallest boy. There is no other boy who is as tall as Ram. And Ram is taller than any other boy in the college. So this degree is used to bring about a comparison among 3 or more persons, places, or things. Now let us study how the sentences can be transformed from one degree to another degree. So let us now take the example of one sentence. Chennai is the largest city in South India. So this is the sentence in the superlative degree. The adjective largest is the superlative degree adjective. The superlative degree adjective. Now how do we transform this sentence into positive degree? Let us see. If you want to transform the sentence into positive degree, you should start the sentence with no other. You should start the sentence with no other. You should use no other city as large as. No other city so large as. No other city so large as. So let me write the sentence. You have to start the sentence with no other. No other city in South India is so large as Chennai. No other city in South India is so large as Chennai. So without changing the meaning, we have transformed the superlative degree sentence into a positive degree sentence. Now let us convert this into a comparative degree sentence. If you want to write the sentence in comparative degree, you should use the adjective larger than. You should use the adjective larger than. So we should use larger than any other city. Larger than any other city. Now let me write the sentence. Chennai is larger than any other city in India. So now we have transformed one sentence into another without changing the meaning. So this is the first model. Model number 1. Now let us now go to the second model. Model 2. I will write the sentence superlative degree. Tiger is one of the most ferocious animals. So the word ferocious is an adjective. It has 3 degrees. The positive form is ferocious. The negative degree is, the comparative degree is more ferocious, and the superlative degree is most ferocious. See, some adjectives with more number of syllables take more and most, and ferocious is one such example. So I have written the sentence in superlative degree. The tiger is one of the most ferocious animals. So I don't say that the tiger is the most ferocious animal. I only say that tiger is one of the most ferocious animals. Now how do you transform this into positive degree? So if you want to write it in positive degree, you should start the sentence with very few. Very few animals are as ferocious as the tiger. Very few animals are as ferocious as the tiger. So I have used the adjective ferocious, that is the positive degree adjective. So I have transformed the superlative degree sentence into positive degree sentence without changing the meaning. So very few animals are as ferocious as the tiger. It means that tiger is one of the most ferocious animals. Now let us convert this into comparative degree. So when you want to write it in comparative form, you should say more ferocious than many other. More ferocious than many other. So we have to use the comparative adjective, that is more ferocious. So let us convert it into comparative degree. Tiger is more ferocious than many other animals. So the adjective used here is more ferocious. Thus we have transformed one degree into another without changing the meaning. Now let us go to model number 3. I will write the sentence in comparative degree. The pen is mightier than the sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. So the adjective used here is mightier. So the 3 forms of mightier are the 3 forms of mightier, mighty, mightier, mightiest. So here we cannot use mightiest because there is a comparison between only two things, the pen and the sword. Okay. So mightiest should be used when we refer to three or more things or persons or places. Now let us convert this into positive degree. So that means we have to use the adjective mighty and start the sentence with this word. This word is not so mighty as the pen. So the adjective used here is mighty. This word is not so mighty as the pen. It means that the pen is mightier than the sword. That means we have transformed the comparative degree sentence into the positive degree sentence without changing the meaning. So these are the three models which are popularly in use. Dear students, I hope you have got some idea and you have learned how to transform the sentences from one degree into another degree without changing the meaning. Thank you very much.